Hi, I'm Steve Legensky from Intelligent Light. We're here at Supercomputing 23 to talk about Intellitwin, our products for the Realizable Digital Thread for HPC Simulation. We're recognizing that engineering is undergoing a change, enabled by the availability of lower cost HPC and the need to get more certainty and reduce design cycles in engineering. We've designed a holistic set of tools that manage, that collect data, collect provenance, reduce the size of data, and make it easy to do stochastic engineering. When you see a weather forecast for a hurricane or a tornado, you don't see one line. You see a series of lines. It's called an ensemble. Ensemble simulation is the way to get greater certainty in your results. Our tools enable that for all types of engineering. Right now, we're primarily focused on computational fluid dynamics. 4 components to the Intellitwin Suite: the Intellitwin Core, Kombyne for data reduction and in situ operation, Spectre UQ to manage the stochastics engineering process, and a data analytics suite for things like frequency-based analysis. Please contact Intelligent Light. We'd be very happy to work with you and give you a chance to try out our tools. They're all enterprise open source, no license management, no counting. Make it easy as possible to collaborate with us and help you meet your goals.
Hi, this is Dave Amels coming at you from Supercomputing 23. We're previewing Kombyne 2.0 with its GUI, zero footprint client, open API, so you can create any sort of GUI that you'd like, or just have it interface to some of your other apps. Right now you're seeing some old-fashioned oscilloscopes monitoring memory usage and simulation time and time step in real time. We're running on Perlmutter in Berkeley, California, a large-scale simulation of a ship air wake. We're showing you this zero footprint GUI, which can run on even an iPad or even an iPhone, any type of smartphone. And we're visualizing into one of the most powerful computers in the world. So another aspect to this GUI is that we can do direct visualization of the time steps as they happen. And we have 3D graphics in real time that a user can access. They don't have to load the files into post-processing. This is happening live as the time steps are being generated on the solver. Kombyne has no license control. We have a zero footprint client, open API, and enterprise open source for the code itself. So we think this is a big advance for people using HPC. They don't need to do it the old way, which took up a lot of disk space and a lot of time to create it. There's also steering available where we can steer the solver in real time. Right now we're picking different cut planes in real time, which is a type of visualization steering. And this is all an aspect which is achievable with Kombyne 2.0.